Welcome to another exciting video on trading indicators. Today we are going to check out the FXSSI Profit Ratio Indicator, an essential tool for identifying trend reversals in forex trading. Let's get started. One of the most challenging tasks in forex trading is accurately finding trend reversal points. These points let you enter the market at the start of a price movement, so you can profit from most of it. Various stochastic indicators are popular for predicating price reversals, but today's profit ratio indicator stands out among them. So what's the profit ratio indicator? The profit ratio indicator shows the ratio of winning to losing trades among the current open position of retail traders in the form of a chart. To calculate this ratio, we use data from the order book indicator. It is derived by dividing the total number of profitable traders by the total number of open positions. The sequence of these values form the graph you see. By the way, the order book itself offers numerous opportunities to analyze market sentiment. Make sure to give it a try. Alright, let's get back to the profit ratio indicator. An ascending spike in the profit ratio readings signals a possible reversal. This happens because the spike represents an increase in profitable traders who starts closing their positions, pushing the price back. This behavior can return the price to the previous levels or often start a new trade in the opposite direction. To make these signals easy to see, we've added a blue signal line and orange dots to highlight reversal signals. If you look at the chart, you'll notice that lots of the market bottoms are marked by a signal from the profit ratio indicator. What's most interesting about this indicator? It generates a signal precisely at the point of reversal without any repainting or delays, ensuring confidence in the signal. Since the profit ratio indicator updates its data every 20 minutes, it performs best on time frames ranging from M5 to M30. You can spot price reversal by examining the profit ratio signal chart. If the readings surpass their signal line value, marked with orange dots or lines, it might be a signal to enter the market. Another method is to review the delta chart. A PR spike exceeding 2% suggests a similar trading approach. Also, whenever there is a 2% spike in delta, an orange diamond appears on the chart. If the diamond is below the price, consider looking for a buy trade. If it's above, consider a sell trade. To spot trends with profit ratio indicator, switch to the buy-sell mode. If buyers are above 75% mark, the trend is most likely upwards. If sellers are above 75% mark, the trend is downward. Another way to use this indicator is to distinguish between true and false movements. If the profit ratio indicator steadily declines during the movement, it indicates a true movement. Conversely, if it rises, it suggests resistance to price movement in that direction. Within a single wave, the profit ratio can rise initially, decline over time, and rise again before reversal. Another interesting concept related to the profit ratio is the return point, or the point of the maximum loss. This is the point where the percentage of the profitable traders is at its lowest. According to the manipulated market theory, this seems to be a reasonable point for the price to pursue, maximizing losses for retail traders. The return point is available in a FXSSI derivatives indicator. Both of these indicators can be downloaded using the link in the description below. Now that we understand how to trade with profit ratio indicator, let's explore its settings. First, you can customize the indicator panel's appearance and position to suit your preferences. Next, the limit display data parameter controls how much historical data the indicator will show. The initial depth depends on your subscription plan. The number of diamonds settings determine how many signals are displayed on the price chart. You can choose the color scan that best suits your chart background. You can also decide which data types are shown by default when you open or switch timeframes. Finally, set up alert options to receive notifications based on specific indicator conditions, keeping you informed even when you are not actively watching the charts. In summary, the profit ratio indicator is an excellent tool for identifying market reversals. It generates strong and reliable signals based on real market data, ideal for short and mid-term trading strategies. It is compatible with MT4, MT5, and there is also a web version available at FXSSI.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more informative trading content. Happy trading!